cold air induction system. And apparently, when you change it, you apparently have to use socket wrench. And apparently, when you do it, there's like a couple clips. And apparently, when you take them off, I'm gonna grab your penis. This is the one we're going with today. Yeah. It's all look nice. So let's start off with taking the stock intake out. Hopefully we don't need another tube, and hopefully it can connect with this tube in here. If you guys be able to see this one here. Probably will need another one, so I'll keep an update later. He's no longer a virgin, nuts.
King Chrome's been used now. It's used goods. It's half its value now.
Here we have Kip. So I have these two Malakas trying to.
Oh, dude, my one's freaking broken.
Take this, and this guy's freaking broken, bro.
Hello, are you recording or are you just not recording?
I am recording.
Look at the space!
No. Foreshadow.
Yeah, mate, your fucking engine mount's fucked.
Bro?
No.
Hey Nathan.
Let's say this.
Oh, we really used the wrong side.
So these fellas here.
Intake.
Just look at the picture.
Oh, we have loads.
Yeah.
What a dude, mate. What a guy. This fucking guy.
This fucking guy.
You got it yet?
Bro, I'm pretty sure I'm right. No.
Yeah.
No, you're left.
This
Just look at the
one,
picture, it's right there.
Yeah, sure. Yeah,
Yeah.
there, I'm looking at that picture.
Yeah, but that's got this fucking weird. That's an actual picture.
Yeah, bro.
Intake. Look
It's
at
so
it.
easy.
SAS carbon, this side. Done.
Doesn't get easier than that, mate.
Shut up.
Mate,
What's this for?
I
Different size?
didn't do this one.
Oh, different size intake. I don't know why that exists.
Oh, because it's universal.
Yeah, I know, but that's not connected to anything. That just goes to the air. So I don't know why that matters.
So what we're going to do is we're going to take this out.
My belly's so full.
And connector, I've got to take this off.
Yeah?
I mean, I've got to take the intake again.
Yeah?
We can just do it good and do it good now.
We're gonna do it proper.
Yeah.
But then you're gonna.
Jack the car maybe? Oh, actually.
I'll show you, Jack.
No.
See that?
Yeah.
Birds. You know those things.
So I'm just put a freaking elephant in. Or maybe what happens if we quickly take this one out?
What did you just drop?
My King Chrome. Fuck my
Oh,
life, bro. Should have bought the $30 King Chrome magnet, yeah?
Get me
No,
your
I've
pliers.
locked it up.
What happens if we take this thing out? Because that's giving pressure, isn't it?
I mean,
bro, I
yeah,
don't even care that
a
you're
little.
ruining his tools, bro.
Fuck, he's got to use them somehow.
They're just for looks, bro.
Pick up. What the fuck?
It actually stinks.
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, dude!
That's fucked.
That is fucked.
Bro, I almost threw up, I swear to God.
Oh! Dude, that stinks.
Fuck.
Oh, bro, I can't.
That's fucked up.
It legit smell like fucking garlic.
Garlic.
Yo!
You know what it must be? It must be the beans in that.
Bro,
In that
I got a fat whiff of that, I almost fucking threw
Bro, it's
up.
the Brazilian burrito.
Fucking hell.
I had the Brazilian burrito. I had like jalapenos. I had beans. I had like rice and.
Quick acting, bro. Quick acting. Fuck.
It's like a fucking heat wave right there.
Jesus Christ.
Fucking gross. That isn't bad, but it's gonna hit.
Yeah,
it's
exactly.
Gonna vibrate
Yeah,
across there a lot.
that's true.
Because it's bigger than mine. Not my doodle.
Oh.
Unless get.
Anyways, back to the channel.
So.
I wish I could do that. Yeah, imagine that you just like extend it. You're like, it's not long enough. You just like pull like that. It just worries, but it's like
Where's the
Mr. Fantastic.
2-4?
Are you a grower or a shower?
His is about this size. But yeah. Yeah.
I feel like AJ's up to something. I just don't know why.
Yeah.
Up, boys. Just got this out and yeah, and that in it.
Hey,
No.
yo, what? Bro, I don't think that's supposed to be in there.
It's not ours. It's
This we can tell it's been there for fucking a good solid 2 years or something. But look at that.
yeah. I
Holy
don't
shit.
think that should be an intake. I
That's
think that's
fucking massive.
probably something that shouldn't be in there.
Anything to tell us, Nathan?
Oh, fuck, it's a pain in the ass, but you know what?
What do we
Look at
do?
this. No, look at this. Look at this. Have a look. We can suck this all the way down here.
Alright, so
Bad example.
let's
but.
get to it. So last time before I picked up the camera died. But we did install the new intake, so I'll pop that and. So this is what we got running here. Yeah, it's pretty intake. It's a bit. Well, that's not as hot. It's a bit loose. I am gonna strap it down, so any cops are watching, yes, I will do it properly. It was just to get home. But we are feeding the intake through down the bottom here, so it can go through the grill here, which I'm gonna properly install it. So I'll be cleaning the EK today, but we're not gonna clean the outside, we're gonna clean the inside because I'm gonna just expose myself. It is filthy dirty, so let's get to it. So I've got new seats on the way. Just waiting for the rails to come in so I can actually put them in, because these seats are very not good for Toge runs. So I will make another video now, of course. So let's get started.